Hi everyone, Mr. Armitage here, and now in this video we are going to look at the probability for a normal random variable. Okay, so here's this question taken from our sapling work. If you can't read it, that's okay, I'll read it out loud. Professional tennis player Novak Djokovic hits the ball extremely hard. His first serve speeds follow an approximately normal distribution. Okay, so that's important to notice or to note, which means our distribution is going to look something like that. Okay? With a mean of 115 miles per hour and standard deviation of 6. So mean of 115 tells us that that is there. Sorry, forgot my place there. Only one take. Okay. That we have a mean of 115 miles per hour. That's in the center there. Choose one of Dvorak's first serves at random. So that just means we have a random variable y, indicate its speed measured in miles per hour. Write the event. Speed is measured between 100 and 120 miles per hour in terms of y. So that means that, actually, let's use another color here. That here, right? 100. Let's say this is 120 right there. All right. So ultimately, we are going to find the probability of this region, but first we need to write y in terms of this situation here, this event. Y as being between 100 and 120. So y is going to be greater than 100, but y will be less than 120. There we go. That's the event in terms of y. So the probability of that, well, now we're going to have to break out the normal CDF. Okay. So for normal CDF, we need 4 things: the lower limit, the upper limit, the mean, and the standard deviation. Now, the mean and standard deviation we were already given, right? The 115 and the 6. So 115 and 6 there. Now our lower limit is going to be the limit that's on the left of the region we are trying to find. So the left of this probability is 100. The right of this probability is 120. Now we can put that in the calculator fairly easily. I'm going to show you on the 84, TI-84 here. We want to go to distributions. Okay, that's the blue above the stat key. So we're going to press second. And sorry, that's not above the stat key. That's above the vars key, the variables key. Right. So second, distributions. So second, and then the button that says vars. Now, normal CDF is number 2. We press that. Our lower was 100. Upper was 120. Mean was 115. Standard deviation was 6. Paste, because it pastes it wherever we were last. It doesn't execute it, which means we needed to make sure that the screen was clear before we did this. Enter. 0.7915. 7915. And if we look, okay, we see here, right, we got 3 of them that are between 100 and 120. So that means this one's off, and so is this one. And only one of them has the correct probability there of 0.7915. So here is our answer.